Okay, so we just took a tour of my craft desk, and now we're gonna look at this unit here, which I added to my craft desk. I just pushed it back to give me more space on top here. And I already said that my typewriter sits on top of it here. Love it. When I'm crafting, I'll just walk over here, type it, and then go back. And so that really helps for me to use it. And then on top of it, I have my silhouette, my sewing machine, and then this little container here that holds bits and pieces of anything I'm working on at the moment. So here is a 2, 4, 6, 8 spaces. Here I have all my Maggie Holmes, and I want to say there's a bit of Dear Lizzie right here, but mostly this is all of Maggie Holmes collections. And I put them in these little plastic coin envelope sleeves that you can get at Hobby Lobby. And I want to say you get 10, yes, 10 in a pack for $8.99, which is a really good deal. So all my Maggie Holmes are in here. And I just love going through this, guys. Just love it. I feel like I'm at a store. Yeah, and then over here, this much right here is Dear Lizzie. 2 of my favorite designers. Love them. So that's in that cubby. Then in the bottom here, I have, this box is from Ikea. I just have all my like memorabilia. So basically just keepsakes in here. Then over here, I have albums. And all the albums that are in my craft room are some that I need to complete. And they're very much well on their way of being completed. I know these are for sure. Up here, I have other collections. Jen Hadfield, Pink Fresh, or Hip Kits. Some of those paper packs that you can get like at Hobby Lobby. Some crepe paper. That's in there, and these are in 13 by 15. Those plastic Ziploc that you can get, some of them are in there. So that's there. And then in this file organizer is all my pink paisley or Paige Evans. And I can just grab this out and work with it if I wanted to. And then the back is all my baby theme stuff is in that coin envelope. So these are all my collections. All my collections are here. I don't have a lot. Because like I said, after the first year I came back to scrapbooking, I kind of knew who my designers were, like what I was attracted to, what inspired me to create, and I stuck with them. So that's why I don't have like a whole wall full of it, I guess you could say. All right, so then over here I have an 8.5 by 11 album from Heidi Swap, because I thought I was going to be an 8.5 by 11 scrapbooker, and I'm not. But anyway, I will do something with that album. And then over here is Heidi Swap as well, but that's the chapters, and I'm going to do something with that. I'll tell you all about that later. Over here are my photo boxes, and I've only ever had 2 photo boxes. This is just from when I was born, or my husband was born really, all the way till I was engaged, I want to say. And then married life and to the present is in there. Whatever's not in the scrapbooks are in here. Either they're copies or maybe photos I didn't want to scrap. I don't think all photos need to be scrapped. Or they have yet to be scrapped. They're in there. Over here I have my card making stuff here. My December dailies are right here. I've only got 3. I only have 3, and 2021 will be my 4th year. And then that's a Heidi Swap album that my friend Janet gifted me. I have yet to figure out what I'm going to do with that. Over here are my page protectors in this 12 by 12 paper. I don't know what you would call that, but they sell them at Hobby Lobby. And this one I bought years ago. And I'm just like taping it up because I don't want to get rid of it. If it still works, it still works. This would be a newer one, but yeah, it holds my paper protectors, both for 12 by 12 and then other sizes. These are just extra, you can put collections in, and extra coin envelope, and then my silhouette in that, because again, my silhouette is up here. All right, and then here are more albums that are just waiting to be completed, and they're almost completed, y'all. I'm so happy. already. I want to say this one's completed already, but I haven't moved it to the living room because I have a little one. Yeah, it's safe right here. All right, so that is it. And I just love it. You know, I could have gone decorative. I could have put really pretty things here, but then where would I put all the stuff that, you know, I'm working on? So for me, it made sense to have my craft desk as a workstation. Have stuff here near me that I will grab onto, that I'm working with, have it close to me so I don't have to go and look for it around the craft room or whatnot. Kind of like Mama Duck wanting all her duckies with her. So yes, that is it. I don't know why I thought it was going to be more complicated than this. I kind of held off making this video because I thought, oh my gosh, it's going to be so much. But really wasn't. You know, I kind of got a system down and this is what's working for me right now in this space. Yeah, if you have any questions, if you saw something and I didn't mention where it's from or whatever, please ask me in the comments below and I will see y'all in my next one.